What if I told you that over $7 trillion changes hands every single day in one market, more than the stock market and crypto combined? That market is Forex. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can start trading it, even if you've never placed a trade in your life. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is simply the buying and selling of currencies. Every time you travel abroad and exchange dollars for euros, you're technically doing a Forex trade. The Forex market takes that same idea and turns it into a global trading arena where currencies are bought and sold 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Currencies are always traded in pairs. The most popular is Euro USD, the euro against the US dollar. When you buy Euro USD, you're betting the euro will strengthen against the dollar. When you sell, you're betting the opposite. So, why do people trade Forex instead of stocks? Three big reasons. One, it's open almost around the clock.